Join me as we simplify trading complexities with a proven strategy for consistent gains in the market. Let's trade smarter, not harder. But first things first, check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's get into the specifics of this indicator. Here's how you should tweak the settings for maximum effectiveness. Head over to the input section and set the signals to confirmation signals. Don't forget to turn on both the reversal zones and trend finder. These settings are crucial for optimal performance. Now, scroll down to the reversal zone settings and set the mode to smooth volatility with the distance set to medium. Go to trend finder settings and set the mode to fast with the fast length at 40 and slow length at 80. And hey, don't overlook the styles section. Increase the line thickness for better visibility of the trend finder. Now that we've got the settings down, let me give you a quick overview of how these indicators function. The confirmation signals are based on a performance-adaptive trend-following methodology. They aim to confirm any potential actions you might take, especially when used alongside other indicator overlays. And hey, there are two types of confirmation signals: normal signals and strong signals. Strong signals are signals that are in accordance with the current estimated trend, while normal signals can be caused by a retracement. The trend finder is your go-to trend following algorithm. It estimates the underlying trend in the price, green for uptrend and red for downtrend. It's perfect for capturing those early trends. And let's not forget about the reversal zones. These zones help identify tops and bottoms in the market, making them ideal areas for taking profit or finding early entries. Now that you understand how the indicators work, let's talk about how to use them to enter trades effectively. When entering a long trade, wait for the price to enter the lower reversal zone. Then ensure the trend finder turns green as the first confirmation. Next, look for a buy or strong buy signal, making sure the candle closes above the trend finder for validation. If all criteria are met, enter the trade, setting your stop loss to the recent low and targeting a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Additionally, you can enter a second trade. Once a buy or strong buy signal is confirmed, and it breaks the trend finder like a resistance line, that's your cue to enter. Again, set your stop loss and target accordingly. Conversely, for a short trade, wait for the price to enter the upper reversal zone. Ensure the trend finder turns red as the first confirmation. Then look for a sell or strong sell signal with the candle closing below the trend finder for validation. If all conditions align, enter the trade, setting your stop loss to the recent high and targeting that sweet 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Similar to long trades, you can also enter a second short trade. Once a sell or strong sell signal is confirmed, and it breaks the trend finder like a support line, that's your signal to enter the trade. Now, let's talk about what to avoid if you receive a sell or strong sell signal, but then the trend finder turns red. It's a no-go. Remember, we want to see the trend finder first confirm the trend before entering a trade. The same principle applies to long entries. Check out the tools below for trading success. More strategies coming in the next series. Happy trading!